Hey guys, welcome back to Kitchen Court Cases, where we watch court in my kitchen. Today we are going back to Judge Anzalone for some friend of the court show cause hearings. I love these ones. It's usually when people are getting in trouble. All right, let's see what she's got for us.
All right. Good morning, Miss Palm.
Oh, jeez. Ay, ay, ay.
Sue, can you hear me? Palm?
Yes, good morning. Couldn't find my cursor.
Oh, it's okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. So, give people a couple minutes to file in.
Okay. What's on this one?
All right. I have someone who's logged in on an iPhone. Sir, can I ask your name?
Michael Lewis.
All right. Let me rename you, sir. All right. All right. This is in the matter of Catherine Rink versus Michael Gerard Lewis II, file number 2009-34541 DP. Mr. Lewis, this is, all right, a friend of the court show cause. It looks like you made an extremely large payment in January. Yeah. I'm sorry, Mr. Lewis?
I'm sorry, go ahead.
And we haven't received any payments since then, though. Mr. Lewis, do you have any employment information to report?
Was that large enough payment not good enough for the court?
Well, Mr. Lewis, you have a monthly charge of $151, and you still have an arrearage of $9,789. So, no, it was great, and I'm glad that you made that payment, but we still have a very large arrearage. So, no, you got to make a monthly payment. You got a $151 child support payment you need to make every month, and then you got to still pay off your arrearage. So, yes, that was great that you paid $4,390, but you still have an arrearage of $9,789.
Well, I mean, I'm trying to take it off by chunks. So
okay, but I still need you to pay your monthly child support order.
All right.
So, your monthly order is $151. I would like at least a $200 a month payment, so your monthly payments being made plus an additional $50 to pay down the arrearage. And then obviously paying the arrearage off in chunks is great, but you're going to have to keep zooming in if you're not making a monthly payment.
Okay, I thought I bought some time by paying $4,000, but okay.
Well, that paid off part of your arrearage, sir, but the state of Michigan requires a monthly payment. So, I mean, if going forward you can pay $200 a month, we're going to leave you alone. But, okay, so when could you make a $200 payment?
Next week.
Okay. So, Mr. Lewis, what I'll do is I'm going to set this out to April 17 to make sure you made at least a $200 payment. And, just keep the $200 payments every month, and we could probably, dismiss the show cause as long as you're making those payments. All right?
That's a deal.
All right. And where are you working at?
I'm doing training right now with Coach Up. I got the job at Catholic Central, just no money is gonna come out of Catholic Central until September for the coaching, and then my taxes should be going through next month. So it should be another chunk coming.
Okay. Okay. Well, just make that $200 payment a month, and we'll be good. All right.
Can we make it 180, please? I'm trying to get I want my daughters to go to school, go to college.
Okay. Are they the ones you're paying child support on?
Yes, ma'am. Well, it's two others that I don't have to pay child support on. But I just want to make sure that even this child has an opportunity to go to school. I don't want to just throw and endorse. I don't want to be disrespectful to the court, but I just don't want to just throw 200 in there. I could do 180. That'll give me a little bit of room, I hope. I just want to make sure she just had a chance to at least go to school.
How old is she?
Sophia is 12. The others are 9 and 5.
Okay. And $20 can make that much of a difference every month?
I'm just asking. If it doesn't, I don't know.
You know what? If you'll pay $180 a month, I'll be happy.
Thank you.
All right. And if you can make that by the first Friday of every month. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So we'll be back here on April 17th to see if you've made March and April's payment. And, if you're making your payments, we won't need you to zoom back in. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So thank you. We'll see you back on April 17th at 8 a.m.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Sir, what is your name?
Clark.
All right, want to come up? I'll take care of it. It looks like you're wearing work clothes, so you probably need to go to work, right?
Well, I do have work.
All right, so we'll find you here. So this is in the matter of Vertez Darnell Clark versus Shauna Mae Clark. File number 2011-37227 DM. So, Mr. Clark, we are here on show cause for failure to pay child support. You're ordered to pay $605 a month in child support, and as of today's date, you have an arrearage in excess of $11,685. Last payment we received was March 13th in the amount of $192. So you've been paying through accident fund insurance, but payments have been partial since October of 22. So are you working?
I'm like off and on. It's like the economy took a crap. They told me it was going to pick up. I'm doing containers.
You're doing what?
Containers.
What is that?
Overseas containers. And they told me it was going to pick up. It hasn't picked up yet. And so I've just been paying what I can and trying to survive at the same time.
So, sir, when your child support was set at $600, where were you working at?
I was working at H&P.
Same place?
No, it's just a different place.
Okay.
I was working at H&P.
So have you had an income review ever?
I had one when I was off. It was like, I want to say 4 years ago. And I was on unemployment. I think it was 2016 when I was on unemployment.
So you're entitled to a free income review because it's been a couple of years. Mm-hmm. So, sir, if you're not making what you used to make and you don't go in and get a review, they're going to keep charging you that higher child support amount.
Okay.
And then it just keeps building up.
But when I did that, the lady she told me you should have brought in your unemployment statement. But I didn't know. But she knew I wasn't working, and she asked me how much did I make on my other job. I told her 18, so she went off of that. So it's like.
But you can do it now. You just they'll require you bring in tax return or to send in your tax return and pay stubs. So, do you have anything you can pay on this today?
I could pay half of my rent, $300.
Okay. So, okay. You're making payments, obviously. You're just not making the full payment. So I'm going to do two things. You think your work's picking up again?
It's hard to say. It's with China. It's not shipping them.
Okay, but if you can't pay your bills, you gotta get something else, like another part-time job or something.
I've been trying to
Make
work on
payments.
trucks and stuff like that.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set this out to April 17th for you to make a payment. But I'm also gonna tell you, before you leave the building, I need you to go down to the front of the court, to the front desk, and request an income review. Okay, and then follow through with all of that. So, they'll set a date and you're supposed to send in your information and make sure you do that. All right.
Okay.
And I still in Lincoln Park? You still in Lincoln Park?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, 1515.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, so do that and then make a payment and we'll see you back on April 17, all right?
Okay.
All right.
Your Honor, what's the payment amount?
He's gonna make a payment of some sort. He's not working right now, so he's gonna make something.
Down there.
Go down to the basement, go to the front desk and ask for an income review.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
All right, what is your name?
Brandon Stamper.
All right, come on out. All right, I have someone who called in on an iPhone. Could you tell me your name, please?
Shauna Clark.
Your Honor, she was on with Mr. Vertez Clark that you just had on.
All right, you said Clark or Park, ma'am?
Clark, C-L-A-R-K.
I'm sorry. It's that. All right, so ma'am, you're cool. I'll be with you in 1 second. All right, so ma'am, I didn't know who you were because you popped on as iPhone. So I ordered Mr. Clark to make a payment before April 17th and to go down in front of the court to set up an income review. So we adjourn this to April 17th at 8 a.m.
Okay, is there some way that you can make him tell you where he's working at?
So he did tell us on the record where he was working. He said he's waiting for them to pick up because it's been slow. And it was whatever that shipping company is. All right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
What time on April 17th, or that'll be sent out in the mail?
It'll be sent out in the mail, but it's always 8 o'clock.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mr. Stamper. Come in. All right. Cassie Mayer here. All right, Ms. Maher, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, this is in the matter of Cassie Ann Maher versus Brandon Lee Stamper, file number 2017-44718DM. Mr. Stamper, you are ordered to pay $400 a month in child support. You have an arrearage of $4,126 or in excess of that amount. The last payment we received was December 5th in the amount of $105.17. Ms. Underwood, do you represent? I don't think so. Your last court date was back in February. You pled guilty to failure to pay. You were ordered to pay $500 today. by today, and that was not paid. Did you pay that today?
No, I have cash.
Yeah, 500?
Yes,
All right, go down in front of the court, make a payment, and come back up with your receipt.
okay.
All right.
Now they will accept cash?
Oh, yeah, we cash.
Last time I was here, they said that it was just card, so. and
No,
that-
we take cash.
Your Honor, we
Always
only
cash.
take cash.
Okay, awesome, all
We
right.
don't take card.
Oh, yeah, last time I had to pay on that little kiosk thing.
Right, but that's not paying
Okay.
directly to us.
Oh, okay.
Go to the front window, make your payment, bring your receipt back up.
Okay, we'll do.
All right, Ms. Maher, just bear with us for a moment.
All right.
I'm gonna put you in the waiting room, and when he comes back up, we'll bring him back in. All right, in the matter of Sarah Freeman versus Johnny Bridges, file number 2008-33028 DP. That's been adjourned to April 24th at 8 a.m. Rebecca Hardy versus Kevin Hardy, file number 2010-34882 DM has been dismissed. Mr. Bridges. In the matter of Monica Petty versus Matthew Shea, file number 2013-39516 DP. Mr. Shea is ordered to pay $194 a month in child support. He has an arrearage in excess of $6,984. The last payment was an income withholding back on March 7th of 2016. He has failed to appear. We'll issue a bench warrant for his arrest. Is mother being charged child support too, Ms. Mellon?
Yes. Yes.
Is she making payments? You're muted.
She's next on your docket. They both paid
Oh.
third party. Yep.
Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't see that.
It's okay.
All right, so we'll issue a bench warrant for Mr. Shea and we'll set bond in the amount of $2,500 cash. All right. So. Oh, there she is. All right, and on that same file, in the matter of Monica L. Petty versus Matthew Charles Shea, file number 2013-39516 DP. Let's see who this person is. All right, Mr. Bridges will be with you in just a moment. Put you in the waiting room, Mr. Bridges.
Your Honor, do you have a Michael Lewis?
Yeah, I had him this morning. I sent it over to April 17th
Okay,
and ordered him to get a review done.
thank you.
Yep. All right, I have a lady zooming in on an iPhone. What is your name, please? Ma'am, you just connected with an iPhone. What is your name?
Sorry, Jessica Kendall. I'm not sure if I did that right. I have an 8:30.
Yep, you're fine. I'm gonna change your screen name just so we know who you are.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. And then I'm gonna pop you in the waiting room
Okay.
until your hearing.
Oh, okay.
So there you go, put me in the waiting. Okay, and that again is file number 2013-39516. Ms. Petty was ordered to appear. She's failed to do so. She has a monthly charge of $184 a month in child support and arrearage in excess of $4,146. Last payment we received was $776 on September 2nd of 2021. So I'm going to come on up to the podium, issue a bench warrant for her as well for failure to appear and set bond in the amount of $2,500. All right. So we'll let Ms. Mayhew back. All right, so Mr. Stamper, you paid $500 in cash?
Yes,
Okay, all right, so Mr. Stamper, you're ordered to pay $400 a month in child support. Are you currently working?
I am.
Where are you working at?
I am at Golden Limousine in Milan, Michigan. I left all the information with my caseworker. I actually tried to get this date moved to the 27th so I can make a bigger payment because my first check is on the 24th.
Okay, and are you paid by check where they take taxes out?
Yes,
Okay, and Ms. Pelham, you have his employment information? You're muted.
No, I don't. When did he bring it to me?
I left it on, I left 2 messages with her.
Said he left
Okay.
a couple voicemails. What is the name of the company again?
Golden Limousine?
Golden,
Yes,
so Golden,
yes.
Limousine, and that's in Milan, Michigan.
Yep.
Do you have your employer's phone number?
Not on me. I mean, I can look it up real quick if you'd like. Okay.
I mean, you're gonna Google it? I can Google it.
Yeah. Just when they call, it just says dispatch, that's all it says. I don't know if that's the main number.
All right, Golden Limousine International, it's Miss Pelham, area code 734-668-8282. It's located at 11900 Carpenter Road, Milan, Michigan, 48160. Did you get that, Miss Pelham?
481.
60.
That's limousine. Okay.
Golden Limousine International.
Yep, I got it.
All right, so sir, remember you're ordered to pay $400 a month.
Right.
It's $100 a week. When you get a paycheck, if it's bi-weekly, you need to pay, make sure 200 is coming out. If they don't take the money out, make your payment online.
No, absolutely. Yeah. And then, like I said, that's why I was trying to get it postponed.
All right, so that's fine, but we need payments. So I'm going to adjourn this out to April 24th, just to make sure that we're receiving payments, all right?
Absolutely.
So understand, if it doesn't come out of your check, make sure you make the payment online.
Okay.
And then when it starts coming out of your check, you'll be fine.
Now, if I just have cash, I can just bring it right to the front of the court?
If you can, yeah, I'll put an order in that you can pay cash at front of the court.
That'd be great.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Right,
Judge, how much was that a month or month you wanted him to pay?
Well, his monthly charge is $400 a month.
How much do you want on arrearages?
Well, sir, when's the last time you had an income review?
I don't think I've ever had an income review.
All right, you might want to stop down at front of the court and request an income review, but you need to make an extra $50 or something a month on your arrearages.
Okay.
All right,
Okay, absolutely.
and you got to keep the shop.
No, absolutely.
All right.
I wanted to keep the last one.
Okay, so go down to front of the court and tell them at the front window you'd like to request an income review, all right?
Okay.
All right,
And
thank
then
you.
April 27th?
April 24th, and you'll get a notice in the mail.
No, my address has changed. I don't
Then
know
when you
if
go
it's
down
out
to front of the court, you change that address.
there. Okay,
So go down the front window now.
okay.
All right, thank you, Miss Maher.
Judge, is there any way that you can ask him to possibly please stop asking our 17-year-old daughter for money?
Mr. Stamper,
Yes.
I don't know if this is true or not, but Miss Maher's asking me to make sure you don't ask your child to ever borrow money.
That's fine.
Okay, thank you. All right, thank you, Miss Maher.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Mr. Bridges, in the matter of Sarah Freeman versus Johnny Bridges, file number 2008-33028. Mr. Bridges, that's been adjourned to April 24th.
Thank
All right.
you, Your Honor.
All right.
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. In the matter of Alexis Regalado versus Zachary Ryan Dillard, file number 2014-40671DS. That matter has been adjourned to April 17. In the matter of Selena Vargas versus Aaron Court, file number 2021-49088DS. This is the date time set for a show cause. Mr. Court's ordered to pay $238 a month in child support, and as of today's date, has an arrearage in excess of $2,481. Last payment was made in October. He's failed to appear. We're going to issue a bench warrant. Failure to appear. Set bond in the amount of $2,500. All right. That does conclude our friend of the court docket.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Well, I thought that was interesting. I have never heard that before where the judge asks or reminds the person not to ask their kid for money. Sorry. I'm in my kitchen as usual. I thought the first guy was really interesting who made a huge payment, $4,000 in January, and thought that that would do him good, but he's still in arrears for $9,000, which is a shitty place to be. But you know, what can you do? Anyways, I really like Judge Anzalone. I think she is really straight up. She gets to the point. It's probably frustrating dealing with people not paying for child support every day when you know damn straight that the person who has that child is paying lots of money, way more than most of these people are issued to pay in child support. And they might not get any support doing it. But anyways, I really appreciate each and every one of you who is a new subscriber. Thank you so much. I am doing little kitchen dances every time I get a new subscriber. I'm so excited. I'm thrilled to be making more content for you and excited to explore court together. Anyways, I gotta go finish cleaning my kitchen, but I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.